Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Vilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart of Euro dollar in front of us. And as we all know that Euro USD, GBP USD, all the pairs are flying right now because of extreme selling pressure on DXY, US dollar index. DXY was in a range, and after NFP, DXY started falling, and we can see that the selling pressure is still very high, and right now dollar index is standing at 101.38. And today is CPI. Okay, as a result, today is also very important for forex traders. You can see that we have a long list of events here, and among all these events, CPI is the most crucial and most important. Dollar slides ahead of US inflation data. US inflation data is due later Wednesday with expectations. Core consumer prices rose 5% on an annual basis in June. The figures should also provide further clarity on the Federal Reserve's progress in its fight against inflation. So market is expecting a softer inflation data. As a result, DXY is falling. But there is a high chance that if the number comes around the expectations, market will already be digesting the news and we may get to see some unexpected move on the chart of DXY. Maybe the inflation data has come down, but maybe you will get to see DXY moving up in the opposite direction because already market is digesting the news that inflation is going down. Let's wait and watch how the market reacts. Now let's talk about Euro USD. So Euro USD is bullish, and if you look at the chart of Euro USD carefully, then you can see that price action is really working very well. Previous resistance acted as support here. Here also the previous high acted as support here. Probably you can understand that what I'm trying to say is that this high is also going to act as support right now because we can see that R is equal to S all the time, and in this type of market where the market is extremely bullish, previous resistance really work as support and we get to see market bouncing. Right now Euro USD is standing at 1.1031. This is the current market price. So let's wait and watch during the European session. There's a good chance that market will be taking support around this area here. The level of 1.1020 or 1.1010. Around this level we have previous resistance which should be working as support before CPI. After CPI, market will be extremely volatile. So try to close down all your US dollar positions. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. If you have the experience, then you can go for it. Okay, but otherwise if you're a new trader, if you do not have much capital, do not play with your capital. Because see, there is a very thin line between trading and gambling. Sometimes we don't even know when we are gambling. So don't be a gambler, be a trader. Okay, so try to close on all your positions before the CPI because market will be very volatile, and after CPI the fundamentals will dominate the market. As a result, the levels may not work. You as a trader, you need to understand when the technicals will work, when the technicals will not work. After CPI it will not work because right now we don't have any major level also that will be posing as a big support or resistance. But yes, before CPI, if market takes support around this level and bounces, we can go for a buy position. And if you're wondering about resistance, then let me move to a higher time frame, and you can see that we don't have any resistance. The next big resistance on the chart of Euro USD is around 1.1100. because this was the level from where the trend of the market reversed. As a result, we can expect that strong sellers will be still present here. So if market goes up before CPI, this should be the level where sellers will try to push the market down, and I don't think so market will be able to break 1.1100 before CPI. After CPI, when fundamentals will dominate the market, then anything may happen. Okay, we cannot predict it, but right now this is our resistance as of now. We also have a minor resistance around 1.1050, but this level is not very important right now. Okay, this is a very weak resistance and the market structure is very bullish. As a result, okay, your eyes should only be on this level as resistance and support. There is no support in this market right now because you can see that only previous resistances are working as support, and all the major moving averages are all far away from the current market price. But during the day, okay, chances are very less, but still, if market comes down to the 50 moving average and bounces, then also you can look for buy position. Okay, 1.10, okay, 1.1020 to 1.1000. This should be the support or retracement level as of now. So these are the only trading opportunities that I see on the chart of euro dollar. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So follow proper risk management, or also do your own research. Again, I'm repeating, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Be careful during the news. Bye-bye. Take care.